How to collaborate in real time on Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on a certain folder or file and would like to real time collaborate with other users, then you can easily achieve it. In order to do so, first and foremost, open your Google Drive. Open the file that you want to share. In order to do so, you can click on the share button directly from the file and share it to the people to collaborate on the real time. But if you want to do it from the Google Drive itself, go to the drive and then click on the three dots on the file. Once you do so, click on Share. Tap on the first link, which is Share, and then you have to now add the Gmail account or the Google account of people who you'd like to collaborate on the real time. Similarly, you can manage the general access to anyone with the link so that once you copy the link and send it to the other user, they can collaborate as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.